So I just wanted to show you how I do my product photography for my website, what the setup is that I have. And the reason I'm showing you this is when I do the Instagram workshops or a one-on-one consultation, I am always asked about how to do product photography, about how to do photography for your Instagram feeds, because it is quite difficult and we do want to get it right. So I just want to show you that what you see on people's websites and on their Instagram grid is not necessarily as glamorous in real life, okay? So I'm going to pan out and I'm going to show you how I do it. So this is a beautiful Mulberry bag. It's called Hayden and it comes with its dust bag, Mulberry dust bag. But if I come out, you can see that actually it's on 2 encyclopedias on top of a plastic box, and actually it's in the corner of my kitchen. And to hold the handle up, we use this, it's invisible wire. Okay, that's what we can hold the handle up with.